close. Let me tell you a story, my brother's leaning in close. First meeting ain't luck, it's a psychological dose. She walks in calm, but her mind stays alert. She's not looking for lines, she reading your work. Leaning close, my brothers, leaning close. She don't ask what you do or how much you make. She watches how you sit, how much space you take. A decent man talks fast, tries hard to impress. A Sigma stays quiet, doesn't overdress stress. Leaning close, my brothers, leaning close. She checks your silence, not the words that you say. Do you need her approval, or you already okay? A dominant man ain't loud, he don't try to prove. He moves like he knows, he's got nothing to lose. Leaning close, my brothers, leaning close. She expect direction, not control, understand. A future imposter, not rings on her hand. She judges your patience, your calm under fire. Not how much you desire, but how much you require. Leaning close, my brothers, leaning close. So brothers remember, first meeting's a test. She's not chasing attention, she's sensing your rest. A Sigma don't beg, don't explain who he's been. He lets her discover, that's how he wins. Leaning close, my brothers, leaning close.